Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying immediate prerequisites. Confirm your Windows 10 build and device model so drivers match. Once done, check any physical wireless switch and press the function key combo to toggle airplane mode off because hardware overrides software. Then open Device Manager and expand network adapters and any radio management or Bluetooth entries. This exposes driver and power settings quickly. Make sure to note error icons or disabled devices. You'll need that context for the next, deeper steps. Next, tackle drivers and services. Update or roll back wireless, Bluetooth, and WAN drivers in Device Manager, because bad drivers often trigger auto airplane mode. Then open Services. MSC. Restart the radio management and network location awareness services and set them to automatic so Windows can manage radios reliably. Run the built-in network troubleshooter for quick fixes, and from an elevated command, prompt run netch winsock, reset to clear socket corruption. Make sure to reboot after these changes to apply driver and service state. For the final steps, confirm the airplane mode toggle in Settings Network and Internet, and the Action Center Quick Action tile reflect the desired state. Create a system restore point before uninstalling drivers or recent Windows updates that might be causing the issue, so you can revert if needed. If airplane mode persists, perform a clean boot to rule out third-party software or startup utilities. Troubleshooting tip: if toggles flip back, check for third-party power management or OEM wireless utilities and disable them temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.